Hey guys, so today what we're going to do is we're going to swap out my old camera, and it actually worked pretty well. The only thing I didn't like about it is that it is battery powered, so I do have to take it off every 30 days or so and recharge it, and that's been a pain in the butt. So I think I got the solution to that here, and this thing comes with a solar panel, so we're going to take a look at it and install it instead of this guy. Give it a shot. All right, so let's take a look at this camera. It's by VIZIUUY. I think that's how you would pronounce it, but it's a solar panel and camera, and that's key because my current camera is a battery camera, and I have to charge it, let's say, once a month, and it's been kind of a pain in the butt. The install is easy, but it's a pain in the butt. But this is also going to be wireless for the most part because the solar panel is here, and I don't have to hardwire it. So that's good. Let's see what else. Key features: home smart surveillance, remote access, playback on micro SD, and that's key for me. I don't want to pay for a service. All right, alarm, Wi-Fi, HD, two-way talk. I don't really use the two-way talk, but you can if there's somebody out in front of your house and you kind of want to let them know that you're there, want them to go away. Quick start on the charger. Seems pretty self-explanatory. A little sticker to scare people off. All right, manual. There's the app. But oh man, this is much flatter than I thought. So here's the solar panel. You can see it's very thin. I thought it would be bulkier, but it's not. So that's pretty darn nice. I like it. Really thin. Okay, so here's the camera. This is not a discrete camera. You could see it says, hey, I'm here. I know you're there. You're being recorded. It's not one of those little cameras like the one I have. Okay, some mounting hardware. USB cables with the waterproof seal that goes over the solar panel. So that's cool. And maybe a different type of mounting option if you want to do it. It's got some screws, and some guides, mounting templates for the mounts. That's cool. All right, so that's what we got. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so that's the way I mounted my old small camera, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it up there onto the wood, so that's going to make it nice and easy. But not just that, it'll be nice and high for the solar panels to pick up the sun. All right, so there are two templates, one for the solar panel mount, this guy the smaller 3, and this one is for the camera itself. This is the slightly bigger one, and what's nice is that it's a sticker, so I could just stick it in, drill my holes, remove the sticker, oops, and then drill that in. Okay, so I decided I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to put the sticker in. I'm going to be using a level just to make sure that I have it upright so I don't mount it crooked. Okay, so now I'm just going to tap some holes. Then I can remove the template sticker. All right, next up, just going to drill this in. All right, nice and easy. Get the camera. It should slide right in. Okay, that's it. Okay, next I'm going to do the same thing with the smaller template for the solar panel. And I think for the solar panel, I'm going to put it like right there. Okay, it'll stick out like that. Take off the sticker. Pretty easy with that sticker template. Alright, that's it. Tighten that up and then we could put on the solar panel. Okay, next up is the solar panel. I probably should have put it on first, but oh well. Alright. That. It's got a long wire, which I don't need. I guess that's good enough. Okay, so let's give it a shot. Okay, one last thing. I want to put in an SD card. Just put it in there, and the power button is also in here, and a reset button. So I'm going to turn it on.
I later realized it was easier to take it down when I set it up anyway.
So I'm just setting up the camera outside of the thing, but you can see it sees my presence.
All right, so here's the live look at the front of the house. I think the picture is actually pretty clear. So it's on motion detect. And let's see if I can move the camera. Okay, there it is. It took a while. Okay, you just gotta be slow about it. All right, there you go. So that's the front of my house. I think that's a good angle for me to start with. Something like that. Cool. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but I can hear, a little wind and birds and little things like that. I could take a screenshot. I could record. Let's see the motion. Let's put it on 7 sensitivity. All right, cool. Nice little camera.